Reversing in a straight line. Reversing in a straight line prepares you for when you have passed your test. It also prepares you for the manoeuvres that you need to know to take your test. In this video, I will explain how to reverse a car in a straight line safely. To reverse, you need to choose a safe, legal and convenient place. Pull up so the car is parallel to the curb and about a drain's width away from it. Pulling up straight will help you to reverse accurately and in a straight line. It's okay to remove your seatbelt when you're reversing, but unless you're struggling to turn around, I advise you to keep it on. If you do remove it, you must remember to put it back on again before driving away. It can help to position your hands with the right hand at the top of the steering wheel at the 12 o'clock position and your left hand at the bottom near the 6 or 7 o'clock position. Moving your hips towards the driver's side door might help you to turn around easier. Whenever you're reversing, you will use the POM routine. This is prepare, observe, move. Prepare the car in reverse gear. You will need to check where this is in the car you're driving. Selecting reverse gear will illuminate the white reversing lights at the back of your car. Other road users, that is vehicles, bikes or pedestrians, know what you intend to do when your reverse lights are on. When it's safe and no other road users are approaching the car, you can start to observe. Check your right blind spot, the right mirror, ahead and your middle mirror, your left mirror and then your left blind spot. If it's all clear, look out of your rear window and release the handbrake. Keep your feet still at first. If you're moving too quickly, keep the gas applied and dip the clutch a bit. If you're not moving enough, raise the clutch a bit. Remember, a bit is about the thickness of a pound coin only. You must look back out of the rear window before starting to move back. Look far up the road to help steer accurately. Move the car very slowly. You're aiming for about 1 mile per hour or even less. Check all around every couple of seconds. Look in your left door mirror to check you're the same distance from the curb. Watch out for other road users. Don't let them get too close. They have priority as they are travelling in the correct direction. You're aiming to not let anyone get into your safety bubble. This is about 2 car lengths all around your car. If anyone does get too close, pause and allow them to pass. If they let you continue reversing, then it's okay to carry on, but keep checking. They may change their mind. If you find you've steered away from the curb or you're too close to the curb, you'll need to correct your positioning. Some people get confused about which way to turn the wheel when reversing. An easy way to think about it is to imagine where you want the back of the car to go and then turn the wheel that way. This car is too far from the curb. We want the rear wheels to get closer to the curb. So steer about 1/4 of a steer towards the curb until your rear wheels are closer. Now steer 1/4 of a steer away from the curb to bring the front of the car level with the back of the car. When the car is parallel to the curb again, straighten the steering. If possible, try to do your steering while the car is moving. Steering while the car is not moving is called dry steering and can be damaging to the steering mechanism and to the tyres. It's important to know that road surfaces often have a camber. This means that the road is higher in the middle than it is at the edges near to the curb. The camber helps to drain rainwater away and into the gutter. Because of a road's camber, When you're travelling towards the curb, you may be travelling downhill. Be aware of this. You need to aim not to hit or brush the curb on your driving test. Before preparing the car to move to reverse, check the gradient of the road you're on. Will you be travelling uphill, on a flat surface, or downhill? If you're going downhill, there's no need to set gas or biting point to prepare the car to move. Gravity will start the car moving. So to move very slowly downhill, keep the clutch pedal all the way down and use the brake pedal to control the speed. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.